I just want to do beautiful music with two beautiful artists in Rwanda, and before the end of this year, we'll release it and you enjoy it. I'm not going to speak about the names, and I'm not going to prefer the artists. I love Rwandese artists, but I can't work obviously with all of them. But I'm here. I want to work with everyone. So if anyone wants to work with me, I don't mind working with one or two artists or three.
bivuze nakuze mukunda umukecuru wacu ya mu Uganda muganda wange.
Ikindi kintu nuko twebwe twaje muri industry tudashaka fame. No, we did not like hustle for fame. No, we wanted money. We wanted to survive.
Too much respect for them. Bose ndabyubaha, ikindi narabikunze kuba narisanzwe ndi kumwe n'abantu nkunda ndetse nakuze mfana kuba turi kuri stage narabikunze cyane.
I think music growing in different countries is effort. First of all, it's effort, it's teamwork. Why Westerners, Nigerians, and everything, West African artists are growing bigger is they collaborate together, they invest, the governments come together to invest in the music business. Our governments, I don't know about the Rwanda government, I don't know if it invests in the business, in the music business, but our government hasn't yet, gone there to that level of investing in collaborations, because having big collaborations like Platinum costs a lot of money. And we need these kind of investments as well. Then when it comes to artists that don't need those kind of investments to work together, we just have to collaborate, like reach out. If you know an artist in Kigali that you want to work with, reach out to them. If you know an artist in Uganda that you want to work with, reach out. And then I think we should concentrate more on our young producers. We need more young producers to give us new sound as East Africa. Because if we want to compete to that level, I'm working with a Tanzanian artist and they came with their producer in Uganda so that we have something different, and I could tell there was something different in the sound. So there is a lot as us, as East Africans, that we have to do to get on the West Africans artist level. One, investing in financially, two, actually getting young producers and creating a new sound for East Africa at large. That's what I think. Thank you. So I went through Austin, I think, to talk to Knowles. He got me some people. So something happened and we didn't do the song. It's just about that. And I believe if something was supposed to be or meant to be, it happens. So maybe it wasn't meant to be and we should just let it go. I think that's just about it, because I've worked with beautiful artists from Rwanda, The Ben, Bruce Melodie. So I think Kitoko. So I think we are good. We're okay. We can let. Thank you. I was saying I think the knowledge situation should pass by now, because it's been like 7+ years since it happened, and I think it's a misunderstanding. We had to be in studio, it didn't happen, and I believe in whatever is meant to happen happens, and whatever doesn't happen, it's not meant to happen. If we ever have one in future with knowledge, good. But for now, let's appreciate the collaborations I've done with great artists from Rwanda, The Ben, Bruce Melodie, Kitoko. I'm working with 2 more. I came with my producer, Dr. Brain, and writer. I'm working with 2 more artists, a female and a male, in Kigali still. So I think let's focus on moving forward and appreciating what we've already done with Rwandese and Ugandan artists. Thank you.
Umuntu wese uzi azi neza ko uzi neza, ariko abantu baba bakuzi ariko batakuzi neza, ariko abantu banzi neza bazi yuko I support my fellow women. Ndaba supportinga ijana ku ijana. So, and I would love to see more DJs, more MCs, bazo muri industry, kubera yuko industry iraguka, industry irakura, n'imyaka ikagenda, n'umuntu agahindura ibitekerezo na vision ye. But I'm glad ko young generation like DJ Crush barimo kuza n'abandi bagenzi be bangana nawe n'abandi bazaza nyuma ye barahari yabo barahari. So ni ikintu njyewe nishimira and I love it sitting with her on the same table. Numva ko ari ni ikintu cyiza. It is good, like generation ukubona ari kuba wibona ni nko kubona ni nka mirror. Iyo ndimo kumubona hano babona nk'umuntu wibona muri mirror yanje mu bihe byahise. So I love it.
Murakoze arya rumbaje ngo
n'abafana bawe ariko wakunda kuvuga ko umutazahina n'imizizi ibitendo byawe ushaka ariko these days nyine this coming weekend to come Kigali iki abantu bashobora ku expectinga none
ubu ibintu bigenda bikura ubu ntabwo hakiriho inkuta za arena aho bari na za stade. Inkuta za stade nazo zishonje zihishiwe naho ku bijyanye no konsepti y'audio namwe mushonje muhishiwe abanyarwanda bose zazana imbyino ziganje
Kigali should expect, as always, vibes. I love entertaining. As you all know, I want to entertain. I want to make my audience feel like we're in club, partying together, enjoying, because life is too short. Kaiser Hotel just presented me to entertain to you. So I'm going to make sure you have fun. Kigali should come ready. I'm going to perform for almost an hour. I'm going to perform most of my songs and some of your favorites with the band, with Bruce Melodie. I'll sing them as well. Yesterday I met the band and we had a chat. So you never know. Come around. There is a lot of surprises. I came with my dancer from Uganda called Rita Dancer. I don't think you've ever seen her around in Kigali. It's the first time here. She's here, and I can't wait for you to see what we have in store for you. For just come around with the good vibes, sing along, chat with me, and we have fun. Thank you. Thank you for loving me and supporting me for all the time. I remember being here as a dancer, and if you remember me like that, that means you're my person. You've seen me for quite some time. Thank you. I love people who have seen me when I'm starting till the journey that I'm on right now. How do I see the difference between Kigali then and the Kigali now? A lot has changed. You guys have built a lot of buildings. We didn't have many as they are right now. The street is still as clean as always, but more green. There is a stadium, and it wasn't there. There is that place, what is that place called? The convention center. Then there is that place that lights at night.
Kigali Arena.
It's a Kigali Arena. Yes.
The
big arena. I love it. So there is a lot that has changed in Kigali. There are more artists than I remember. There are female MCs right now. There are female DJs right now. Back in the day, it was only men that used to do this. I'm so glad now the women of Kigali are stepping in and they're killing the game as well. Thank you. Second one. Oh. How do I consider my growth in music? I've been honored to have consistent music career for more than 10 years, which is not easy to keep on being booked by the same clients, being booked by different people in different countries, channeling into other music as well as I'm growing. I love it. I'm growing with myself as the day comes, and I'm growing with my fans. How I see it is I'm no longer the Sheebah that I used to be 10 years ago, and I'm embracing this new Sheebah in my 30s, and I'm gonna go in my 40s in 5 years. Inshallah, if God wishes. So I just wanna grow each and every day and see what God has for me. Thank you.
Nkuko bimbajije ukuntu yumva kuba ndi kuri stage imwe na Sheebah, I'm so excited. kandi ntabwo ari Sheebah gusa, abantu bose turi kumwe all our regions, too much respect to them, bose ndabyubaha. Ikindi narabikunze kuba narisanzwe ndi kumwe n'abantu nkunda ndetse nakuze mfana, kuba turi kuri stage narabikunze cyane, ndetse hari icyizere byandemeye ko nanjye I can, nanjye nashobora kandi nkakora ibyo bakoze.
Bush.
Urakoze cyane. Nk'uko bivuze, nakuze mukunda umukecuru wacu. I love it. Mu Uganda? Mwana Uganda, muganda wange? Katono. Nakuze mufana, n'ubu ndamufana, ni umu artiste mwiza, ufite fresher, uhora uri kale. Featuring ntekereza ko twarakuze, ntago ari we nayisaba, ariko ndakeka araba mu bashinzwe team management yiwe, niho byaca. Nanjye ntago ari njye wabisaba, narakuze, ntago ni muri bya ball byo kubwigira, sibyo? Aba manager babari barabikemura nta kibazo. Murakoze cyane.
Right now, I can't speak about the artists I'm going to work with. I want it to be a surprise so that you enjoy the music, so that you enjoy the surprise. Actually, I don't want us to start thinking about it. What are they going to do? How are they going to do it? Comparisons. I just want to do beautiful music with 2 beautiful artists in Rwanda, and before the end of this year, we'll release it and you enjoy it. I'm not going to speak about the names, and I'm not going to prefer the artists. I love Rwanda's artists, but I can't work obviously with all of them. But I'm here. I want to work with everyone. So if anyone wants to work with me, I don't mind working with 1 or 2 artists or 3, so that we see our music going to the next level. So I'm here. Holla at me. I've had Mr. Bushali. I have my Bushido. Mr. Bushido, you're a rapper, yeah? I like rap music, so let's work together. Whoever feels you see talent in another artist, and you feel like another artist can push you to the next level, or push each other to the next level, let's do it. I'm open to it. That's how the industry grows. Thank you.
Okay, wakoze. Rero njyewe numva ibi bintu nta phenomenon, sinzi ko hari ikintu nabishizemo cyatari. Ntekereza ko ari God's favor cyangwa se God's grace. Ntekereza ko nta n'ikintu wakora kugira ngo ugure urukundo rw'abantu bagukunde, and gusa ikintu nemeza cyo nzi ko nuko abanyarwanda bashimye akazi nkora, bampa icyizere, and icyo cyizere rero akenshi ntabwo nabatengushye. Kubatenguha ni iki? Nuko sometimes when ushobora gutana ukajya mu bindi bitakureba, cyangwa se ukajya mu bindi udashoboye, nakoresheje uko nshoboye kose, nshyiramo imibare, nkora ibyo nshoboye. Buriya ntuzabona nivanga mu byo nashoboye, nk'ibintu nanjye gukoresha ya terime ngo sinjya nivanga muri yego, ariko njyewe nabanje kumenya ngo ese nshoboye iki. Aba ari byo nigumira, avuga singiye kuvangavanga abantu umutwe, ibi nibyo nshoboye. Nubwo nkora akazi kenshi gatandukanye, ariko ni ibintu byuzuzanya. Being an MC, ukaba ukora kuri radio, ni ibintu bitari ibintu byatari. Ukaba uri na DJ, every radio presenter agomba kuba azi music, and uzi music byakohera kuba DJ. So ni ibintu byuzuzanya cyane, ni skills nari nkeneye, niyo ntaza kubikoresha, ni skills nari nkeneye. So ndatekereza ko ibyo byose rero ukabiva ubuntu bw'Imana, and ukagerageza n'ukugerageza. Twese nta muntu uri perfect, ugerageza kugira ngo discipline yawe wikontrole, ugerageze. Tugenda twigengeseye, twese turabizi, urigengesera ari byo hari umurongo utagomba kurenga. And n'ikindi ndatekereza yuko ari na determination, gukora udahagarara, utareba inyuma, and ndatekereza ibyo byose bibishize hamwe rero bituma uguma kuri standard ugomba kubamo. And ikindi kintu nuko twebwe twaje muri industry tudashaka fame, No, we did not like hustle for fame. No, we wanted money. We wanted to survive. So ubwo rero iyo uje ushaka fame hari ibyo hari izindi zibigenderamo. Iyo uje ushaka rero gukora na passion ndetse n'intego no kubaho surviving and na passion ukabivanga minus fame, ibyo bintu bishaka kugumisha kuri level donc ku mwanya utanyeganyega cyane. Murakoze.
So iyi ngiyi ni Dokeza Camp Out First Edition. Ni experience ya mbere yacu. Hari igihe wenda bitagenda neza 100%, ariko ikintu cya mbere ubutaha ntabwo ariyo ya mbere, hazaba n'iya kabiri n'iya gatatu. We will keep pushing. So natekereje ku muhanzi w'umudamu cyangwa w'umukobwa, kubera ko umuntu afite n'ikintu cya feminisme muri we. Ndavuga ni reka ntamere ku mudamu, ku mukobwa cyangwa wenda igitsina gore mbese mugenzi wanjye, hanyuma the next time tuzagende tureba n'abandi uko Imana izagenda iduha ubushobozi. So ninjiye muri industry ndi mushya. First of all ndabikunda kubera ko muri rusange nkunda urubyiruko, mfite abana bangana namwe cyangwa wenda banabaruta nabo namwe muruta, bikaba ari cyo kintu cya mbere gituma nakora ikintu kirimo urubyiruko kugira ngo wenda ngire icyo nanjye nabafasha ariko nabo bakoze, atari ukubafasha gusa, ngire icyo nabafasha ariko nabo bakoze. Icyo nicyo kintu cya mbere cyatumye nshaka ikintu cyaba kirimo urubyiruko kugira ngo nkorane narwo. Ikindi cya kabiri ni uko harimo n'abandi babyeyi bagenzi banjye, Anita Pedro nawe ni umubyeyi, ubwo wahasorinze uri ukina birimo, so nawe yampaye courage, iravuga ngo reka mbitangire tuzagende dukomeza. Murakoze kuza kwitabira iki kiganiro kandi ndakeka ko Saturday nabwo tuzaba turi kumwe turi benshi.